Okay, what's up, people? Just because so many people asked me for the recipe of that vegan cake I made, I decided to record instead of sending every single person a message with the recipe. So if someone doesn't understand that in English, just go ahead and ask me in Polish, and then I can, if you do understand what I'm saying now anyway, then just let me know, I'll give you the recipe in Polish. So avocado cheesecake, right? So what I did, I found a recipe on the internet because I had 4 super ripe avocados. I was like, what can I do with this? I feel like sweets. So I decided to just do the cheesecake, right? And then I was starting to look for a perfect recipe for me. And of course, life happens and I didn't have a half of ingredients instead of avocados. So I mixed it up and I did my own version. So I'm going to tell you what I did, okay? Gluten-free muesli, right? There's some dry fruits inside. Whatever muesli you like. Could be even gluten muesli, whatever you like. So I use those. I put like 2 handful portions inside of this blender, right? Then I add carob, which is carob, which is brother of cocoa. That's what I use as well because it's healthy and delicious. And then after that, I put 4 spoons of melted coconut oil and also 6 or 7 dates. Dates, they were before that, they were half an hour in the boiling water just soaking. So I chopped them into pieces and I put everything there to grind it all and mix it all. I nearly burned the blender, so make sure you have a good one. All right. So once I turned that on, I made lovely paste. I put that to my dish, which was, well, kind of like my bread one, but it was round. So whatever you have, use it. And then, of course, you need the paper on the bottom. So I squeeze all that, right? All my dates and carob and my, you know, nuts and stuff, everything in granola or mostly whatever you have. And then I took 4 avocados, ripe ones. I put them to the blender. I add full squeezed lemon juice. You can add lime if you prefer. And then I added as well 5, you can add 6, melted spoons of coconut oil again. So to make sure then, you know, coconut oil, once it's not melted, it will keep that together, right? So after that, I add 6 spoons of honey. You can use any substitute for sugar. You can use agave syrup, you can use stevia, you can use xylitol, you can use date syrup, whatever you like. I had avocado honey, which was perfect, so I used it. So I blend it all, long blend, and make sure there's no lumps, bumps, whatever. So I was blending and helping my blender because it's not the best one. So I help it, and then it was super smooth, and I put it on top of first layer, and I put it to the freezer for 4 hours, and then I decided I'm gonna keep it in my fridge overnight. Next day, ooh, that was delicious. Good luck. Let me know how was it. Bye.